This is a brand new 2012 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include external temperature display, a 6-speaker audio system, aluminum wheels, tinted glass, traction control and stability control systems, dusk-sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Wiley Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1800 South Main in Bountiful. Wiley deal? You bet we will.